down, smoking high, I am not round. I'm not round, no denying what I got now. I got now, keep an eye out, keep it locked down. Locked down.
Good day people. So today we're just doing aux belt, the alternator belt, that's what you want to call it, on a 107. So let's switch around, show you what to do. So yeah, we're on this 107 Peugeot, doing the alternator belt. So the belt is here. So the first thing, well, let me give you a good look. So your belt runs around the alternator here, round the top here, over the top of that cob there, then down and under that cob there. Typically a better view. See what I mean? Like that. So first things first is you want to disconnect this plug from here. It just squeezes in. Just disconnect that. Just give you a bit of room and make sure you don't snap it. Then you want to be undoing this top bolt here. Just loosen it off, slacken it off. Then just on the bottom of your adjuster here, while you adjust it down, you'll find a 12mm bolt. It's just where that socket is. You want to just loosen that off. Then you want to just loosen off your tensioner here. That's 12mm. The bottom bolt's 12mm. This top bolt's a 14mm. Typically you better view where this bolt is at the bottom, because you can't see it. It's all about feeling. So that can work. Here's your bolt there, just on your adjuster right there. And just crack that off, just loosen it. Yeah, so you just want to loosen that off. Then your alternator will slide downwards so you can pull your belt off. So yeah, so just make sure you slacken this one off. Undo this, just crack that belt open down there, then your belt will just come off. It is a bit of a tight job as they are a small car. Trying to do this one-handed is a bit of a nightmare. There we go. It's the old belt off. Just drop everything down there. It's one belt off. So the next one I will be fitting. I'll just go grab it. So the way I do it is I get it around the new belt, around this rear one first. Then you want to tuck the bottom of the belt around this cog here and put it on the alternator last. The problem is it's hard to film. Let me see if I can get the camera somewhere. Right, I don't know how much of this you're going to see. It's recording, but I'll give it a go. Trying to get both hands in when you're doing this blind. So you got your arm in, you can't see absolutely nothing. So you want to grab the belt and it wants to go around this one here. See what I mean? It needs to go around there. So what you want to do is make sure that back one is tucked over your cog properly. just to make sure it gives you plenty of play. Thing is it keeps popping back off the back, so you have to just keep playing around with it till you get it. There we go. This one. Like I say, it's one-handed and it's blind doing this. So there we go. All it is now is tightening it back up. So first things first is adjust this so it pulls it all tight. Then tighten that bottom bolt up there. Then tighten this top bolt. There you go. There, back up. Like I say, it's really tight. So what we're going to do, keep tightening it. You will see your alternator start pulling up. Keep moving. It's a lot better with ratchet spanner, and I've got some in the shed. I just can't be bothered to go get them. I tried with me socket and ratchet, but just don't seem to have enough room to get in there, because my ratchet will come up here and I hit the front bumper. There is videos out there where people taking the front bumper off to do it, but I really don't see the point in that. It takes too long, and the risk of breaking clips and that. So yeah, so what you do, I'll get this finished, then I'll be back. So there we go, it's a new belt fitted. So what you want to do is just do it tight enough so you can just twist the belt just slightly, not all the way around. So say that's your belt there, you want to just be able to just twist it just slightly, you know, there's just enough play. You don't want it too tight and you don't want it too loose, you just want it, there's just enough play in it. So yeah, and no, don't forget to plug this back in. That just pops back in like that. So yeah, that's how you fix an alternator belt on a 107 Peugeot. So there we go, 107 done. The alternator belt's been fitted. No more squealing, no more screaming down the street. So that's done, so that'll be going back to the customer tonight. Next video probably will be the Kia Sportage. Gotta do a full service on that and a pre-mop. I will try and film most of it, but we'll see. As I gotta do it after work after 3 o'clock in the morning, so it's gonna be dark. I'll try and use a bit of lights, try and lighten up things, so there will be bits and bobs on it. That'll be the next video. Anyway, stay safe, and if you ain't already, please subscribe, hit that like button, goes a long way in that like button. So, see you next time.